Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovely Pre. So I love watching clean with me videos. I don't know how many of you love watching them, but I certainly love watching them. So I decided my room looks a bit crazy right now, so why not do my own clean with me video? So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a clean with me video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me on my channel here. And if you're oldie but goodie, thanks for coming back to see your girl. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Skirts. Pause. I know y'all not trying to listen to that through the whole video, so let's switch things up a bit here. Let's go.
and there was rain. Woooow, meaning of everything. Let there be rain, and there was rain. Let there be rain, and there was rain. Let there be rain, and there was rain. Let there be rain, and there was rain.
I had no intention of making this skeptical of myself, thank you.
Please, let there be.
All right, you guys, so we did it. This is the final product of me cleaning my room. Thank you guys so much for joining me with this video. Thanks for all the love and support on all my videos. You guys are doing the thing with, you know, growing my channel here, and I'm trying to do my best with keeping content coming to you guys. Comment down below which part of this video was your favorite, what you enjoyed, maybe some tips that you would include for helping me like on my next clean with me video. If you would like to see another video, just, you know, anything, chit chat with your girl down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
And there was rain.